Hi everyone, my name is Fio, and welcome to today's English lesson on Speakyway. In today's real-life conversation, we will follow a young woman named Sara. She has just moved to a big city and she's feeling a little lost. But soon, she meets some kind people who help her adjust. We'll learn some important English phrases and vocabulary along the way. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sara has just moved to the city, and she's looking for a place to relax. She decides to stop by a coffee shop to take a break. Let's listen to what happens when she meets Tom, a friendly local man. Sara, to herself, I hope this coffee shop is nice. I could use a little break after walking around the city. She walks up to the counter and orders a coffee. After paying, she turns to see if there's a place to sit. She spots a table where Tom is sitting alone. Sara, hi, is this seat free? Tom, smiling warmly, yes, it's free. Please sit down. Sara, thank you. I'm Sara. I just moved here. Tom, nice to meet you, Sara. I'm Tom. Welcome to the city. How are you finding? It's so far, Sara. It's good, but I don't know many places yet. Everything is so big and different from where I'm from. Tom, I understand. I moved here 5 years ago. It takes time to get used to it. If you want, I can show you around sometime. Sara, that would be great. I'd love some recommendations. Tom, well, you're in luck. I know all the good spots around here. What are you interested in? Parks, museums, shopping? Sara, I love nature, so a park would be perfect. Tom, there's a beautiful park, Central Park. It's not far from here. You'll love it. It's a peaceful place to walk and relax. Sara, sounds wonderful. I'll check it out this weekend. Thanks. Tom, you're welcome. If you want, I could walk with you this Saturday. Sara, smiling, I'd really like that. Let's do it. As Sara and Tom continue talking, Lily, the coffee shop worker, comes over to clear the table next to them. Lily, to Sara, noticing she's new. Hi there. I haven't seen you before. Are you new to the city? Sara, yes, I just moved here a few days ago. Lily, welcome. I'm Lily. If you need any tips on where to go or what to do around here, I'm happy to help. Sara, that's so kind of you. I was just asking Tom for some recommendations. Lily, oh, Tom knows all the best places. He's a local guide, haha. So, what are you into? Sara, I love nature, and I'm looking for a good park to visit. Any suggestions? Lily, definitely Central Park. It's very popular, but there's also a quieter park nearby called Riverside Park. It's less crowded and great for a peaceful walk. Sara, I'll check it out. Thanks, Lily. Lily, you're welcome. Oh, and if you like coffee, we have the best lattes in the city, just so you know. Sara, laughing, I'll have to try one next time. Saturday morning. Sara and Tom meet at the park as planned. They walk and talk. Sara, this place is beautiful. I'm so glad you suggested it. Tom, I'm happy you like it. The park is perfect for relaxing and taking a break from the busy city life. Sara, I need more peaceful places like this. Back where I'm from, there were lots of parks like this. Tom, where are you from if you don't mind me asking? Sara, I'm from a small town up north. It's a lot quieter there. But I wanted to move to the city for work and new opportunities. Tom, that's great. What kind of work do you do? Sara, I'm a graphic designer. I work for a marketing company. Tom, that sounds exciting. I've always admired people who can design things. I'm a teacher, so I can't say I have those skills. Sara, being a teacher is a great job, though. I bet you get to meet interesting people. Tom, yeah, I love it. Meeting new people is always fun. Actually, that's how I got to know most of my friends. Sara, it's nice that you're so friendly and helpful. Tom, I think it's important to help others, especially when they're new to the city. You never know when someone might need a friend. A few days later, Sara and Tom meet again at a local museum. They've been spending time exploring different parts of the city. Sara, this museum is amazing. I can't believe I've never been here before. Tom, I'm glad you like it. There are so many hidden gems around the city. You just have to explore and find them. Sara, I'm so happy you've been showing me around. I'm starting to feel like I belong here. Tom, that's the spirit. You're making this city your home, and it's great to see you getting comfortable. Sara, I'm really grateful for all your help, Tom. I wouldn't have known where to start. Tom, no problem at all. That's what friends are for. Sara and Tom sit at a cafe after their museum visit. Sara, you know, when I first moved here, I was really nervous about making friends. But now, I've met so many kind people. I'm starting to feel at home. Tom, it's great to hear that. Making new friends can be hard, but once you find the right people, it makes all the difference. Sara, exactly. And I've learned so much about the city, too. I feel much more confident now. Tom, I'm happy to hear that. I think you're going to love living here. And don't forget, I'm always around if you need anything. Sara, thanks, Tom. I'm really glad we met. Tom, me too. It's been fun showing you around. Now Sara is no longer feeling lost in the city. She has made new friends, learned about the city's best spots, and is beginning to feel at home. Just like Sara, you can meet new people and feel comfortable in any new place with a little help and practice. Before we finish our story, let's quickly review some important phrases and vocabulary from the story. Is this seat free? Can you show me around? I'm starting to feel at home. What do you recommend? These are some great phrases to use when you're meeting new people or exploring a new city. Practice these phrases with your friends or in your daily life to improve your English. Now it's your turn. Try using these phrases next time you meet someone new or visit a new place. Let us know in the comments what new places you'd like to explore. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more English lessons and tips.